Your phone, your coffee mug, and even the road your car drives on. All of them exist because of inventions made thousands of years ago. Today, 5 ancient inventions we still use every day. Number 3 will actually surprise you. Welcome to 5 Facts in 5. Quick, weird, and surprisingly useful history. Hit subscribe and let's jump in. First up, the wheel. It started not as a wheel for travel, but as a pottery turntable in Mesopotamia around 3500 BCE. Spoked wheels came later and changed warfare and transport forever. The same principle still moves cars, bikes, and conveyor belts today. If you think that's old, wait until you hear number 2. Paper, as we think about it, was standardized by a Chinese court official, Kai Lun, around 105 CE, though earlier plant sheets like papyrus existed in Egypt. Kai Lun's method made lightweight, cheap sheets possible. Centuries later, papermaking spread across Eurasia and paved the way for mass literacy, contracts, banknotes, and printed posters. Fact 3 explains a tool sailors used to cross oceans. The earliest compasses were lodestone devices used for geomancy in Han China. By the Song dynasty, 11th century, we see compasses used reliably for navigation. Without that magnetic needle, global exploration and the maps that shape modern trade would have been very different. Number 4 helped build structures that still stand today. Roman concrete, called opus cementitium, was in wide use by around 150 BCE and gave us long-lasting structures like aqueducts and the Pantheon. Recent research shows Romans used volcanic ash to make concrete that resists cracking. Modern engineers study this to make greener, longer-lasting concrete today. Last one is glass, which you look through right now. Glass production goes back to at least 2000 to 3500 BCE in Mesopotamia and Egypt. Early glass was luxury beads. Later techniques created containers and window glass. From beads to windows to smartphone screens, glass transformed from rare luxury to essential technology. If you'd like a printable mini guide with quick timelines and illustrations, we've made a free downloadable PDF, 5 Ancient Inventions Mini Guide. Link is in the description. If you enjoyed this, the Shorts version is dropping Saturday, and we have more weird history every week. Hit like and subscribe.